Cleaning your hearing aids is easy and only takes a few minutes. Wax buildup is the most common cause of hearing aid issues. If you see any buildup, clean it as soon as you can. You should clean your hearing aids completely at least once a week. Use the white receiver pick found inside the Lively box. Place the pick into the divot at the top of the device. The divot can be found just behind where the wire connects with the base. Gently push up and out. The wire and the receiver components can now be easily removed without force. Take your new receiver and insert it in its place. Close your device gently. It will click in place. Carefully remove the earbud without tugging the wire. The small white circular piece below it is the wax filter. The Lively kit includes a pack of replacement filters. Remove the old filter by gently pressing the pick into the hole of the white wax filter. Then flip the black stick and push gently to insert the new filter. For the last step, put the earbud back on the hearing aid. Gently brush your fingers over the earbud to ensure that they do not come off easily. Brush out the microphone ports, the exterior of the hearing aids, and the earbuds. Remove the earbud to brush the wax filter. If the earbud or wax filter is still not clean, it may be time to replace them.